Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 9th and we're looking at GDX as the chart of the day. 30 minutes time frame here. We are looking for wave 2 in the minor degree. Pullback is in the form of a double 3 or double zigzag. This is the first zigzag ABC and this is another zigzag within the Y leg. Okay, so we have a WXY structure here, and now this invalidation level may not necessarily, if I zoom out, just giving you some ideas, this is not really in the level that is important in my opinion. If you look at the daily time frame, let me copy. So this is the 4 in the daily, and this is the 5 which ended with 1, right, which ended with 1. So if you look at it in the daily time frame, this is 5, this is 4, that means this is the 3 here, and then that means the 1 and the 2 is going to be right here, right? This is 1 and this is 2. So you're looking at the impulsive or 5 swing rally, right? 5 swing rally that started from this low here, from October 28, and you're doing wave 2 pullback. So this wave 4, technically it can go to this level and still be bullish, because the most important level is actually this one, the beginning of that 5 ways up. Now you can see we have not broken to new high GDX, but this is a 5 waves or 5 swing, right? Could be diagonal here, right? 5 swing, and therefore as long as we stay above here, most likely we're gonna continue to extend higher, right? So we are now doing wave 2 pullback, may or may not hold above this 4 here, but it doesn't matter even if it doesn't hold. This is the more important level over here, which is around 68. So as long as we stay above 68, eventually we can see more upside again. Now shorter cycle, the target for this wave 2 is going to be like so, WXY 100% extension, which almost reached this 100%, by the way. So it could be finished anytime, technically speaking. It doesn't need to do another leg down. 2 could have completed. We could have, changed the count. A here, B here, and then, C here, for example. And then that's it. And then we rally higher, or we do another leg down. It doesn't matter. I think what's important is this 68. As long as we stay above here, we could eventually see more upside above this previous peak, right? This can be doing a WXY even and still be bullish, right? So for example, this could be your first leg already finished, rally, fail, and do another leg down and before higher. So 68 is really in the key here. And in terms of the oscillation of the pullback, I think there could be a couple of different possibilities, right? But it should follow the 3 and 7 swing. So here is your first 3, and now looking for 7, and this is a potential support right now. 75.6, 78.7, and from here we should be getting at least 3ish rally, if not going to a new high. Okay, so that is the update for today, and once you figure out where in the wave 2 is and breaks above 1, then you can target on the upside. Is very simple. Just measure 1, 2, 3, 100% extension. Assuming 2 ends here, then it's 91.6 as the next target on the upside. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more regular updates on GDX or any other ETF, stocks, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. Use the link in the description of the video. And I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.